Namaskar. Good morning, one and all present here. On behalf of Information Technology Department, St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, Maharashtra, I welcome you all participants for 1 week national level faculty development program on online teaching learning processes using ICT tools for education 4.0 part 3. During June and first week of July 2020, we have conducted two faculty development programs on same topic where we have received more than 6,000 participants across schools and colleges from 29 states of India. After receiving such overwhelming response, we have received requests from some schools where they have asked for special capsule program for the teachers to make them independent for content creation and evolution. Therefore, we have launched this 1 week program from 28th to 26th July 2020. Education 4.0 says education for anyone, anytime and anywhere, and it is based on Industry Revolution 4.0 for 21st century. Industry Revolution 4.0 is based on disruptive and sunrise technology like artificial intelligence, augmented and virtual reality, Internet of Things, big data and cloud computing. And these technologies have not only touched the industries but also touched the life of our individuals as well as education sector. Currently in this week, during the 43rd annual general meeting of Reliance, the CEO Mukesh Ambani has launched GeoGlass, a goggle to be used for augmented and virtual reality application. This is similar to Google Glass, and this will be used for holographic calling as well as for teaching various subjects through augmented and virtual reality in school education. So it proves that these technologies are entering in our education sector and we must learn them so that we can pass on these technologies to our students. And that is the main objective of the part 3 of FDP. Another objective is related to national education policy, which says that every teacher has to undergo a 50 hours professional development program for CPD, continuous professional development. And through this 20 hours program for 6 days and post FDP, you will be working on content creation and evolution for around 20 hours. So it will bring you 40 hours training program. Nearly 90% of your target for CPD for the academic year 2021 will be achieved through this program. So main highlights of this FDP is post FDP we are going to provide 15 days support for content creation and evolution. This time we have received bulk registration from many schools, especially Pallottines and Montfort schools across the nation. And we want to take you to such a level where you become independent of yourself for using those technologies for your online and offline teaching. So post FDP, you are going to implement your own Google Classroom, your own website, your own practical tools, and you will be uploading those after FDP in our Google Classroom, and we will be scrutinizing them and helping you to reach to an excellence level. The another highlight is we will be providing you open educational resource, a step-by-step explanation for the content deliverables during the FDP. A special highlight of this FDP is we are going to provide every day a query solving session for 1 hour in the evening we will be connecting with you through WhatsApp and Google Classroom page for solving your doubts related to the YouTube videos of that day. And the last important highlight is we want to focus on practical conductions. We will be teaching you some of augmented and virtual reality and other virtual tools using ICT for conduction of various subject practicals of your students. The detailed schedule will be shared with you through our WhatsApp and Google Classroom page. Considering your busy schedule in schools for online teaching, we are going to provide the flexibility this time also. You can go through this video anytime according to your availability in a 24-hour time zone for that day. And you have to appear for small online quiz for your evaluation as well as for getting the e-certificate. We are there for you to take you to such a level where you become independent on your own for online teaching tools. So on behalf of my team, we wish you all best luck for this FDP, and I hope you will become independent, a faculty 4.0 in the era of education 4.0. Thank you very much.
Good morning to all of you. I welcome you for this FDP program arranged by Department of Information Technology, St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. I welcome all the delegates and participants registered for this particular program. This college started way back in 2004, and now we are having 6 courses in different branches of engineering for undergraduate courses: mechanical, electrical, civil, computer, information technology, and electronics and telecommunication. Apart from these 6 undergraduate programs, we are having post-graduation, that is MTech program in computer engineering and MTech program in mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering also has a program for doctorate level, that is PhD in mechanical engineering. So we are having recognized place of research for the PhD in mechanical engineering. Our 2 branches are accredited by National Board of Accreditation: computer science, computer engineering, and electrical engineering. While other branches, they are in a process of getting accreditation. Like we have already applied for that. 2 years back, we got accreditation from NAC, and that A grade we got with 3.19 score out of 4, and we are accredited by NAC. We are going to go ahead, and we have already applied for getting autonomy for the institution, perhaps which will be processed and we may get soon. Typically, we find that our college is being rated, and we got award at national level for green and clean campus. And in the region, in the Vidarbha, we are known for a college which is specifically chosen by the people for high level of academics and discipline. So these are the major points, important, significant features of our college where people go for it. About the program which we are launching, like last month, Department of Information Technology launched a program with an overwhelming response of more than 3,000 participants for an online FDP program. Encouraged with that, we would like to announce few more programs, but then specific in nature and bit advanced as compared to the earlier program. Now this is one out of the series of such programs. It is being always said that more you invest in education, multifold you can get the fruits. Like for example, education in any domain empowers an individual to deliver better goods of higher quality with effectivity and efficiency. Naturally, education also increases the motivation and inspiration level of an individual, and a continuous feeling of getting enriched prevails in the minds of individual, and that is reflected while teaching to the students. Like if a teacher is continuously updated and is inspired and motivated, definitely it is reflected in his classroom conduction and the students also definitely get charged with him. With the post-COVID environment, a paradigm shift is there in the teaching learning process, and we are required to forcefully go for online teaching. Doesn't matter, we'll evolve in the new scenario also with a more efficient and effective, because we have decided to do so. All of us have are resolved that still whatever may be the adverse situation, we will come out with colors, and we will come out winning the situation whatever it comes. All the best to all of you. I congratulate all of you for participating in this particular program, and I am sure that the end of the program all of us will feel that there is a lot of take home for all of us. Thank you very much. All the
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that you are people who attended the first two FDP programs conducted by our IT department. And I'm sure that you appreciated the program. Your presence here again for a paid program is indicative of your desire to learn further and to equip yourself in the best manner possible. In one of the FDP programs, in the message that I gave, I said that the second phase of the information technology revolution is underway, and it is prompted by COVID. COVID threw life out of gear, and people were for some time groping in darkness, seeking the direction in which we can move and how life can once again be lived in the best manner possible. And we realize that institutions of higher education, especially the technical institutions like St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, have a special responsibility in this regard to help people to ensure that life in some manner is carried forward with facility. The benefits of technology must be brought to the fore, and they should be harnessed in order to facilitate life and communication. In this second phase of the IT revolution, even ordinary life transactions use enormously, in a big way, technology for communication, for bank transactions, for education, and for every imaginable aspect of life. And therefore, even if COVID ends, this technology is absolutely necessary to live our ordinary life and to engage in day-to-day transactions. And I congratulate you for coming to this realization that you have to be fluent and conversant with these emerging technologies in order to live your life and also to share the benefits of this technology with others, particularly your students. Our IT department has become very conscious, very much aware of the fact that we have this special responsibility to reach out to those who are in need in terms of technical help, sharing our technical expertise. And that is why they carry forward in an ongoing manner this faculty development program. I congratulate once again Professor Manoj Brahma, the head of the Department of Information Technology and his team of St. Vincent Pallotti College. I'm sure our team will come up with more advanced programs in the same domain, in the field of information communication technologies, and the easy use of these, in what way these technologies can be used for various activities that enhance the quality of life and our relationships. I wish you a wonderful time and God's blessings. Thank you.